All right, good morning, everyone. Tony Laporta here with TonyLaporta.com. If you need to get a hold of me, you can email me at Tony@TonyLaporta.com. Anyhow, I discussed it in the trade room this morning, my reasons for being short the stock market, my reasons for being long the bond market. I bought the bond market quite well this morning at the 03 level, already took some profits, 20% at 06. I'm working to sell the balance, not the balance, another 20% at 15, and thinking that I'm going to run this trade. We looked at that bond chart and sat in awe of it. I've sat in awe of it now for a week with stock market, rallying to new all-time highs. The bond market refuses to sit down, and now we're knocking on levels that this 154.12 area, in my opinion, is a good level. We get through that, we go up to 29. So a lot of my readers have already taken profits in the bonds, and like I told them, I said, don't turn a winner into a loser. So I was a little bit. The bond was 9 bid at 10. When the S&Ps were 8.5 bid, the S&Ps go 9.25 bid, and the bond goes 11 bid. I'm like, does this make sense? It doesn't make sense. And for some odd reason, the bond market is going up for a reason, and we're just not sure what it is. Does it have anything to do with, the bond buying out of Europe? Probably a lot, but is there something hidden out there? Is this stock market ready to, they say the bond market always knows. Is this stock market ready to have a little shake and wobble? I mean, this grind me higher in low volume, tight ranges for the longest time. And it was the formation last night in the Dow futures. My trade. This is 30 plus years of looking at charts. The tight range follow through higher in the Dow futures. So that prompted me to be short. The indices overnight, I'm short. Making a little bit of money, not really. But when I woke up this morning and I saw the high probability trade in the bond market, you can go to the intricacies of the pivot points at my website, TonyLaporta.com. And you can read about the high probability trades, the pivot equilibrium trades. These pivot points, that formula I came across in 1994. It's a Fibonacci-based formula. I use no other. So moving forward today, counter trend Tuesday, I'm looking for lower prices. I think these S&Ps could trade as many as 10 handles lower. I have bids in at every pivot point below to get my shorts back, and obviously I have offers in looking for this bond market to trade 15 on its way to 154.29. So that's about all I have. This is Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off.